If you're curious about whether a girl likes you beyond friendship, there are several signs to consider. Look for body language cues such as maintaining eye contact, smiling frequently, and fidgeting when you're around. Pay attention to her texting habits. If she uses flirty emojis like hearts or winky faces, that's a good sign. Engaging her in conversation and asking her about her interest can help gauge her interest, as a girl who likes you will want to keep talking. Compliments can also reveal her feelings. If she responds positively, she may be into you. Additionally, subtle physical contact, remembering past conversations, and sharing personal stories can deepen your connection. Lastly, if her friends know your name and share information about you, it's a strong indication she likes you. Overall, look for a combination of these signs before deciding to ask her out.